Good morning, this is Shane Tijurati on my last leg from Iceland over the Atlantic onward to Wick in Scotland, which is still before the Brexit part of EU. I'll be doing a tech stop there, getting jet fuel, which is about the best thing you can get in Wick, on my way to London, England. This morning the weather was pretty miserable at Reykjavik, but no worries, full access to the Honeywell applications. What I love about the application is that it's one place without having to mess with PCs or going to multiple websites and all that. One place where you can see radar, satellite, lightning, airport weather, PIREPS, but more than that, you can see the cloud tops, winds aloft, and the two things that I really like most is you can see severe weather and turbulence, as well as icing. I needed all of that for this morning. It's the icing depiction is extremely nicely done with overlaid over the maps, so you don't have to make all these calls and try to make mental pictures in your mind about where icing is and where the turbulence is and how to avoid it. It has a perfect picture there. Later on this week I'll be carrying some passengers which will allow me to inform them of any kind of turbulence or try to avoid that turbulence altogether for them. It also has a really good feature about passenger weather briefing, not technical weather briefing, so you can actually show the passenger, print it and show the passengers those things, all in one great nifty tool for full flight planning as well as weather planning. The best tool for a pilot to do such complex trips. Reporting to you from 35,000 feet over Iceland on my last transatlantic leg, this is Shane Tijurati.